The Colorado is designed to be a workhorse, a real production printer. Superior dot gain control ensures astounding print quality and color consistency. Only Canon UV gel technology separates jetting from curing in two separate carriages. UV gel is rewriting the laws of printing physics. Colorado printers can run at indoor point of purchase, high-quality mode at 40 square meters, 430 square feet per hour. That's up to 3 times faster than traditional technologies. The max speed mode, for example for outdoor banners, runs at an impressive 159 square meters, 1,710 square feet per hour. This true application mode is up to 5 times faster than other 64-inch printers. In all print modes, our unique UV gel technology separates printing from curing, resulting in a smooth, thin surface and vibrant colors, suitable for instant cold lamination. Uninterrupted production with on-the-fly ink replenishment, combined with unprecedented automation, the Colorado can run almost unattended, avoiding unnecessary downtime.